Right folks, I'm going to be doing some more kits like I used to do, and it will be first come first serve. These are not going on the shop. If you want them, you have to say on this video that you would like them, and I will invoice you for the payment. Now they're going to be a mixed kit. As you can see, you get a little bit of everything, and all of the kits I'm going to be showing you now are going to be £12, including shipping. And there's not just this, there's some more bits and pieces that you'll get when you get them. You'll see, you might get fabrics, you might get like I've got some more trim in here, which I'm going to just put in because I forgot about that. There will be stuff that you won't see, and then there's some of that, and then I had some, that's it, this is the one I'm after, some beaded trim as well. But there's other bits and pieces that will come in what you see here, and you'll probably get 3 or 4 different things on top for £12. That's a good deal, and I'm going to go through what is in this particular kit. And if you're interested, sorry, I've got a rubber band on my hair bobble on my hand, and I think it's about £7.80 for overseas. So let's just run through it. Now I need a bag to put it in. But then, did I get a bag? No. So we'll use my dish, I think. Now, I've got roughly 3 of these kits, similar to this. And I'm saying similar because some of the items might be different. But I will do my hardest. I mean, this is a piece of bling. But you might get something like that in place of that one, because that was expensive. Or you might get something like that you can take apart. See what I mean? I will try and do it that it's all obviously the same costing. So I'm just asking £12 a kit, and what you're going to get, we'll put in the first item. You will get a piece of jewellery, a piece of bling similar to this, or it might be 2 items. That's gorgeous. Okay, that can be broken apart, used as is. This is a brooch. Okay. To you, I'll put a brooch in of some sort. Beaded string. This is the iridescent one. Charms. Now, I made that. So we have some, and I made those as well. So we have some made charms. There'll be little bits and pieces and whatnot. I'm going to put some buttons in as well. Some bling, some more acrylic trim. That might vary because I have different kinds. I might have droplet ones. Some of the, this is my all-time favourite trim. Some metal work. There'll be more than that. Something I've made, but you might want to change it. You might want to take it apart and use the bits on it. There'll be a handmade flower of some sort. Some trims, that's just enough to make a flower. Gorgeous. Frames, that's one colour on one side, but you can paint them. And appliques. 12 of the pale pastel flowers, flower heads. They're gorgeous, just beautiful. You're getting 6 of the cream and 6 of the pink. Some tape measure trim. This, I absolutely love this. I have to show you how this works. You can thread it with wire, you can thread it with whatever you want, you can make whatever you want with it. Look, it's just a trim, but it's like a cord, but you can actually do things with it. Okay? Now, it's up to you with your imagination. So you've got some of that. You might get that in a different colour. There'll be some form of a... because I think I've only got one, maybe one more of the birds. So the other one might be a shoe or might be something else. Now, that has been painted by me. And then I put some No, I didn't. I just painted it over. But it's just for you to use. I've never used it, even though I bought 3 of them and painted and used 2 of them and never used this one when I painted it. So all you have to, you know, put some paint over it. It just goes with this colour. Some trim. There'll be lots of trims in them. This one, the crochet trim. Oops, a daisy. The silk trim, silk ribbon. Another crocheted one. This will make a really nice project. A doily, and like I say, these 3 have all got a doily, like this. And those 2 which can be cut up. And then they've all got this tassel. Now I'll show you this tassel. It's this one. You just pull that. Oops, what that was then. You just pull this thread off here like that, and it's that trim, and it's gorgeous. So that kit there is £12, and you get some more bits and pieces with it as well, and that's a really good kit. So if you're interested in that, then let me know on this video, and there'll be 3. So it's the first 3 people. £12 for the kit. Sorry, £3.45. I think it's £3.45. £4.45. Sorry, for the signed for UK, and £7.80 for the overseas. Okay, I'll put it on the description in the video, and don't forget there will be other bits and pieces in it as well. I'm going to try. Basically what I'm doing, oh sorry about that, it frightens the living daylights out of me. Basically what I'm trying to do is make up these kits like we used to have, and you know, you will get plenty kits coming out from now till Christmas. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Take care. Watch out for the next one. Bye bye for now.